Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the space where we don't just follow what is trending, we question. It's a space where we don't just celebrate influence, we examine its source. And today we are asking a serious question. Is fame becoming the new anointing? Because slowly we are starting to equate followers with calling, virality with favor, and platform with purpose. But what happens when visibility replaces divine assignment? So guys, on to my video today. Today, someone gains massive attention online and suddenly they are treated as spiritually credible. Not because of preparation, not because of formation, but because of recognition. We now assume if people follow you, you must be sent. But clouds gather around charisma. Calling is revealed through obedience. Why is going viral now being seen as favor? Because going viral has become a modern badge of divine approval. If someone trends, we assume heaven endorsed them. Going viral is often driven by shock, drama, emotion, controversy, and not necessarily truth. Heaven does not operate on engagement metric. Why am I talking like this, guys? There is a scandal that became a platform a few weeks ago, guys. One Marion Naipei went viral after a scandal involving public exposure of her nakedness circulated online. The internet watched, the internet judged, and the internet amplified. But what happened next shocked me. After going viral, she was received publicly into the church space by Pastor Victor Kanyari, Prophet Kanyari, who gifted her financial support and even a smartphone. A move widely interpreted as part of a public redemption narrative. Soon after, viral clips began circulating, showing her participating actively in the ministry settings and church activities. Think about that journey, from the viral scandal to spiritual platform, not through formation, not through process, but through visibility. This is the new reality. My people, going viral is becoming the qualification. And the platform is now mistaken for purpose. A platform gives you reach. Purpose gives you responsibility. A platform says you are visible. Purpose asks, what are you assigned to do? Today, many are visible, but visibility is not assignment. They are influencers who are becoming spiritual authorities. Influence today is powerful enough to shape beliefs, to define truth, to direct moral thinking. Without grounding, without accountability, and without structure, we are now seeing popularity open doors that once required preparation. Guys, can you compare popularity and divine assignment? Popularity attracts attention. Assignment carries burden. Popularity seeks applause. Assignment demands obedience. Popularity is fast. Assignment is deep. Not everyone who trades is sent, and not everyone who is known is anointed. Guys, the truth is, fame can amplify a calling, but it cannot create one. Visibility can highlight purpose, but it cannot replace preparation. The danger today is not influence. The danger is confusion. Confusing attention with authority and going viral with foundation and fame with anointing. As I conclude, guys, we are living in a time where scandal can become a stepping stone to spiritual visibility, where trading can open doors once reserved for transformation. But the real question remains, does going viral equal being sent? Because when fame becomes the new anointing, we stop discerning depth and start rewarding visibility. Guys, if this message made you think, then this is why this channel exists. To help us pause in a noisy world and ask deeper questions about faith, influence, and truth. Please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe for more conversations that go beyond trends and explore what reshapes spiritual authority today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.